How to use FreeDrop. Step 1. Sign up. Add FreeDrop app to your Shopify store from the Shopify admin, or sign up from freedrop.app/signup. Fill out sign up form. Step 2. Connect Shopify. If you come from the Shopify admin, this is already done. If you don't, go to the Connectors tab and connect your Shopify store via login. Step 3. Create a promo. Go to the Promos tab and create a promo. Fill out the form. Video URL refers to the unique identifier at the end of the YouTube URL. YouTube channel ID is found in the URL if you go to the YouTube's channels page, youtube.com/@goodgood. Include the @ symbol in the field. Other relevant fields to mention are enter until, end promo time, set promo code expiration. The enter until field means how long users are allowed to enter an answer to enter the promo. The end promo time is when the business wants the promo codes to be created for each winner. This will generally be after the YouTube video finishes. Ask your content creator how long the video is for a good estimate. Finally, the set promo code expiration is fairly self-explanatory, but if you would like the codes created to have an expiration date, i.e. the promo codes, will only be usable for X amount of time. Currently, all time fields will use your local time zone to create, so make sure to submit the time according to your time zone for those fields, i.e. if a video is going to be released at 2 p.m. Eastern, but you live in the Pacific time zone, set the enter until time for 11 a.m. Step 4. Enter the promo. Either use the Chrome extension for FreeDrop to see the enter promo interface on the YouTube video, or freedrop.app/promos/ and then enter the video URL. This video URL will be the same identifier you used for the second field in the create promo form. At this URL, you will be required to OAuth with Google so we can verify subscription status if necessary and to create an entry in our database to keep track of identifying information. Step 5. Watch the promo codes be generated. When the time is up, you will see our API automatically generate unique codes for each winner. It then registers those with your Shopify store according to the rules you set when you create the promo. The software then sends out the promo codes to winners via the website and extension, or by email if they have allowed us to send marketing emails.